I think I heard something. Is someone there? Mom? Dad? Luca. Who's there? Luca, come closer. No, stay back!
It was a quiet night. The house felt unusually still. Almost too still. A teenage boy sat alone in the living room, listening to the silence around him. There was no sound, no movement, just a strange, heavy calm. After a moment, he slowly stood up. Something didn't feel right. He couldn't explain it, but he felt it clearly. He looked around the room. Everything seemed normal, but deep inside, he felt like he was not alone. He took a step toward the hallway. The light was dim, and the shadows stretched along the walls. Each step he made echoed softly in the quiet house. Then suddenly, he heard something. A faint sound, so soft, yet impossible to ignore. He stopped. His heart began to beat faster. He turned his head slowly, trying to find where the sound came from. On the wall, shadows seemed to shift slightly. Not quickly, not clearly, but enough to make him question what he was seeing. He moved forward, carefully. The air felt different now, heavier, like the house was watching him. Then everything went silent again, completely silent. Even his own footsteps seemed to disappear. He froze for a moment, listening, waiting, but nothing happened. Finally, he reached the window. Outside, the night looked peaceful. The moonlight covered everything in a soft glow. He looked at his reflection in the glass. For a second, something felt strange, but when he focused, it was just him. He took a deep breath. Slowly, the feeling began to fade away. The house returned to normal. The silence no longer felt heavy, just quiet. He stood there, looking at the night sky. Everything seemed calm again, but deep inside, he still wondered, was it just his imagination, or was something really there? And now, the house is quiet again, but the question remains, was it all just imagination, or was something really there? Tell me in the comments, what do you think happened? And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more mysterious stories, because next time, the story might be even darker.